Ryan Little.
Japan.
Good morning. So it is currently Sunday in Las Vegas, and this is technically like my first official day. So it looks so warm outside, so much different than the East Coast, obviously. And I'm about to go to my soul cycle class. I ate breakfast and everything, and I'm just ready to get my sweat on. So I just got out of my soul cycle class, and it was pretty good. It got me like moving and sweating, but personally I prefer my normal location better. It was a great class and everything, as usual, upbeat, great music, but I feel like I sweat more at my own location. The instructors are just more upbeat, but it was a great workout. I'm gonna go back to my hotel, shower, change, look presentable again, and go walk around Las Vegas. So it's a little bit later, so I guess the last time you saw me I was at Soul Cycle, and then I went back to my hotel, washed up a little bit, I changed, and now we're heading back out to another resort slash casino because we're gonna get lunch at Hell's Kitchen, which is like famous, world renowned. Gordon Ramsay, I think, runs it. So we're gonna get some real good food, check out Caesar's Palace, and I'll see you later. Good morning. It is Tuesday and I'm getting ready to check out of my hotel. The last time you saw me was Sunday and I was like leaving Las Vegas. So I came to my hotel, and on Monday I pretty much took the day to relax. I did some running. I ran like 3 miles. I sat by the pool. I just relaxed and took some time to myself and took in the beauty of the West Coast and Nevada. So, as I said before, I'm checking out of the hotel, and my aunt and I are going to drive down to Arizona to check out the Grand Canyon, and on the way we're going to stop by the Hoover Dam because apparently it's closer than we thought. So why not get it in, get some vlog footage, some pictures, and really just make the most of being in Nevada on the West Coast and all of it, because the East Coast doesn't have all of this. Much different, and it's really nice to have something that I've never seen before. It's really refreshing and beautiful, so I'm gonna really enjoy the rest of this vacation, and I will see you at the Hoover Dam. So I'm at the last hotel for this trip. I don't really know what we're gonna do for the rest of the night. Probably like get something to eat because it's only like 3 o'clock right now. But yeah, it'll probably, I'm questioning whether or not I should end off the vlog here or wait, but I think I'm just gonna end it off here. So don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and look forward to the next vlog, which is my last spring break vlog. And yeah, you'll see some pretty nice views of the Grand Canyon tomorrow, and then me traveling home, and that'll pretty much be it. So I'll see you then.